This is the emergency broadcast from XBC. All XBC channels have been merged. Let's give you emergency broadcast alert system. Please take a listen carefully at the following message. Here across the provincial stations, radio stations will be merged. Earthquake hits Mindanao. It is Mindanao quake. The targets are vibration. It is collapsing houses and cities. Please take shelter or evacuate immediately as soon as possible. We have to get the earthquake. Hold your table or paper. There is no escape. We'll pay no death of the broadcast. Stay away indoors and missions. Don't go outside. Don't panic. There was a special coverage of XBC News and Current Affairs. Mindanao hits earthquake. In the suspended broadcast. There's a fundamentation event of all life. So many killed people as was possible, and the diversion of broadcasters. Here on Xidooz Channel 90, we are here to the latest news information. Coverage of the earthquake hits Mindanao. Normal broadcasts will now resume.